in this video, I'm going to show you 5 things you need to do right now as a small creator to survive this low view, low subscriber stage. This will help you create videos that will start getting views. Every day, thousands of small channels give up on YouTube because of low views and low subscribers. And I quite understand how it feels. You put in 10, 20, 30 hours creating a video, publish the video only to get 10 views, 2 likes, 1 comment. Now, it feels like your effort is not appreciated. Hear what I have to say before you give up. YouTube growth takes time and patience. It may look like it's not working because you're not getting the kind of views and subscribers you desire, but it's working. Every single video you upload right now on your channel is a foundation, more like a seed you are planting. And very soon, it's going to germinate. Every big creator you see out there, you admire. Those creators that are getting thousands of views every time they upload video. We all went through this phase you are right now. It took me 3 good years on YouTube to get to the stage I am now. And there's something about YouTube growth. It may take a long time to pick up, but the moment it picks up with consistency and quality content, you will experience massive growth. Let me tell you something. Mr. Beast, the biggest YouTuber we all look up to and admire. It took Mr. Beast 113 videos to get 1,000 subscribers. Imagine if he gave up after his 100th video uploaded. Just 13 videos to go. He wouldn't have been who he is today. This might be your story. You are just few videos away from your breakthrough. So these videos you've been uploading all this while that are not getting views, it doesn't mean they are bad. It doesn't mean nobody cares about your content. It doesn't mean you are a bad content creator. It doesn't even mean that you will not succeed. So I want you to change your mindset. These videos you're uploading that are not getting views, they are not failures. They are preparing you for the bigger success that is about to hit your channel. So with every video you upload, you get better. You refine your skills. You become more confident on camera. So what you are seeing right now is not failure. It is preparation for the breakthrough. You want to be here when that breakthrough for your channel will come. So every big creator you see out there and admire went through this phase. We all went through this phase. We started with 0 subscribers, 0 views, 0 watch hours, but we didn't give up. So should you. Because if you stay here for a longer time, you are going to win. It takes people who don't give up to win. It is said that winners never quit and quitters rarely win. You don't want to be a quitter. You didn't come this far to give up. Here's the truth no one tells you. Every big creator you see right now getting thousands of views on our videos. We all have our learning days, if you like, our failures that are hidden behind YouTube Studio. I still have videos on my channel that got less than 1,000 views, but I didn't give up those days. So should you. Those videos you're uploading that are getting 5 views, YouTube is taking time to understand your audience, process it, to know who to recommend your videos to. Now, here's something you didn't know. Most videos you see right now that are getting tens of thousands of views and even 100,000 views and above, they all had their beginning stage. Let me show you something. If you look at this video with 59,400 views, the video didn't pick up immediately it was published. In fact, it took about 30 days before this video picked up. Imagine I deleted the video just before the pickup. So you see those flat lines you are seeing right now on your videos. It doesn't mean it's over for those videos. When you eventually start doing well, when YouTube algorithm starts recommending your videos, these videos are eventually going to pick up. They are built up that will skyrocket your success when it starts happening for you. Now, I've listened to a lot of creators share their stories, their failure stories before the success days. I've listened to someone talk about how she grew a YouTube channel for 3 years, less than 500 subscribers. She got so frustrated that she deleted the channel, created the second one, and applied all she learned from her first channel. And right now, she is doing so well. I've also had channels that spent 3 years before picking up. For my own channel, it took me 3 years to get to where I am right now. So giving up is not an option for you. Now, here is why you must not quit. You are not failing, you are learning. Every upload sharpens your skill and prepares you for bigger and better content. Every video is a seed. You plant it, it gets into the soil, dies there before it germinates. Now, it may take a lot of weeks and even months before germinating, but the very moment it springs up, it blossoms. And this will be your channel story if you don't give up right now. Now let's get to practical steps we should take right now as a small channel to start getting more views and subscribers. Here are 5 practical tips and strategies to help you grow your YouTube channel really fast. First is to create a content plan. Make sure it's something you can stick to so you don't burn out. Having a plan helps you know exactly what to do, where and when to do that. And this way, you will not burn out. Second is to batch produce your content. This will help you on days you don't feel motivated to create. So sit down one day and create 3 to 4 videos per session, and then you have these videos ready before the time. This way, even when you don't feel motivated to create videos, there's always content out there to be pushed out. This is one of the biggest secrets to staying consistent. The third secret is to focus on one niche. And this is one problem a lot of small creators have. Jumping on from one niche to the other will not help you. You will confuse the algorithm. You will confuse your audience. So stick to one niche. Stop jumping. Except you are trying to test different niches to see what eventually works for you. But the very moment you discover something to settle for, please stop moving around, because it is just one way to confuse the algorithm and your audience. Now, the fourth secret is to study what's working. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. See what is working and recreate. Just add a spin on it. Just a touch of you to differentiate it from what is already in the market. Stop looking to invent something entirely new, because it's going to take you forever. And there's no guarantee that when you invent that new content we've not seen, that we're going to like it. So study the competition and do what's already proven to work. The fifth one is to celebrate your success. Yeah, there's something about gratitude that brings you even more opportunities. You see those 10 views you got, 20 views, 50 views, 10 subscribers, celebrate them. Celebrating them will make you happy, and then even your audience sees it that you are somebody that's grateful. Who knows, it might open the door for more people to subscribe to your channel. And your audience seeing that you celebrate the little wins will help in any way they can to make sure that you get more and more of whatever you are celebrating. So stop frowning at the views you get. Celebrate them. Open your mind. Celebrate them. More is coming. Now, here's the truth. Consistency beats perfection. If you're going to be perfect, you have to be consistent. Of course, consistency is not easy, but it's something you can do. YouTube is going to test your patience. It's going to test your consistency. It's going to test your integrity. This whole thing is designed to make you a better person at the end of the day. So don't give up, because there's a whole lot ahead of you. We didn't give up. Otherwise, we wouldn't be here. Just before you give up, ask yourself, what if I am just 2 or 5 videos away from my breakthrough? How would you feel to give up at the verge of breakthrough? You don't want to do that. So keep showing up, keep learning, keep creating. Algorithm rewards consistency. It rewards only those that don't give up. Your breakthrough video is around the corner if you don't give up. Apply all these strategies I just mentioned right now, and you are going to get a lot of views moving forward. Always remember that I am rooting for you. You can do this. So if you're struggling with getting views on your videos, I made this video here showing you 10 smart places you are going to go right now to promote your videos. They are free places. I mean, free promotion. These are free promotions that will help you get more views. And one thing with algorithm is that anytime a video starts getting views, algorithm wants to show it to more people. So I need you to go on right now and watch this video to learn 10 free places you're going to promote your videos for more views. Always remember that I'm rooting for you. If you got value from this, please give this video a thumbs up. See you on the other side of success.